In this video, let me show you branding, which is this icon over here. So with branding, you could upload your own logo. You could also alter what the intro and outro, which are these invisible clips right now that you could enable the intro and outro. All that could be changed from here. So the first one I recommend is you upload your own logo. So it says JPEG, PNG, SVG. Typically, PNG is what the logo should be because then it'll have some transparency if you want that. I'm gonna upload my logo, and here's the PNG version of the logo. I'll just go ahead and upload it here. And with your logo uploaded, this is my logo, I have different positioning options. So a lot of times you'll see in my videos, especially in these courses, that there's a little logo on the corner, and that's basically how you would do this to these videos. So if I want it to be in this corner, which is typically where I would put it, this is how you do that. And then you could go ahead and change the opacity if you just want it to be not so apparent. You can make it even bigger. So maybe the default size is actually kind of pretty good. So that's all your logo options here to add the logo to your video. And again, this will be applied to your entire video. So your entire video will have that nice branding throughout. That's for scenes. In the intro section, you could enable this. Again, this is an eyeball for it too, but I'll enable it over here. And this is what the intro looks like. And I could, again, upload my own visuals or clips. So in this case, if you had some kind of animation or some kind of a logo animation that you wanted to use in the beginning, you could go ahead and do that. You could import from visuals too. So that's gonna bring you over here. So you could select any pre-existing clip like this. I'll go back to the intro tab. Your logo will go over here. So right here it says your logo. You'll go ahead and upload your own logo again. I'm gonna choose the same one. And it's replaced my logo up here now. And your intro text, in my case, it's been replaced because I changed what this clip was, but you could change what that intro text says right over here and change the style of it too. So that'll bring you back to the style tab. But back under branding, we also have outro, same kind of thing, right? Make sure you enable the outro if you want some kind of outro. Then again, you could import from the visuals library. You could import a clip if you want. And in this case, this is fine. And again, I'm gonna upload the logo to replace this logo that's here by default. Put my logo, maybe increase the logo size. Over here, it's in the right position. I could decide to put it basically anywhere I want. If I wanna even put it in the center and make it huge, I could do something like that too. And thanks for watching is the text. And if I press play, you won't see that because the captions are off. Let me turn that on. So this is what it's gonna look like. Thanks for watching. Or I could just remove it entirely. And there it is. Now it's not even here. And this could be basically the outro for my video. So intro, scenes, by having the logo in the corner, and the outro are all part of the branding tab. I recommend at least you have some kind of watermark here in the corner. It's a nice branding that I try to add to all my videos.